Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new extension called Sleepless in System into your Chrome web browser. Unfortunately, Keep Awake is no longer working for our older Chromebook devices, and this extension will allow you to use the old Chromebook without having to log in all the time. In the email I sent out, there is a direct link to the extension, or you could do a quick Google search like you see on the screen right here, or I also have a link in the bottom. Now let's go ahead and click on the link and you'll see the extension in the Chrome Web Store. All you need to do now is select Add to Chrome. We'll go ahead and click Add Extension, and we're pretty much up and running. Now let's make sure that it's working. If you look up here at the top, you may or may not see the Sleepless in System extension. Well, let's go ahead and click on this little extensions icon. Looks like a little puzzle. And in this menu, let's look for Sleepless in System. Right here I found it. I'll go ahead and pin it. And now you could see that it shows up at the top, Sleepless in System. It's currently not working yet. In order for us to finally fully activate it, we need to go ahead and press on the icon, and once it turns red, we now know that it is activated and good to go. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.